darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be rather exciting. First off, thank you Jacqueline, Cosmetics for sending me these fabulous lippies. And guess what, my darlings, we are going to swatch 15 liquid lippies for you guys. Are you ready? Let us open this. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-bum. Look at this. Yes, sunshines. So we have, what I can see from here, 4, 8, we have 12 pencils. Let me swatch all of those for you on my arm. And then I want you guys to sit back and I'm going to swatch all of the lips and you're going to tell me what your favorite is. I am very proud of her because her base is really primarily Caucasian. But she has included some exciting colors here that I feel I can wear. And I am on the absolute dark spectrum of skin tone and I live for it. So without any further ado, my darlings, let's enjoy. Sit back, grab a cocktail, grab a mocktail, and let's dig in. Mwah! So my darlings, for those of you that are curious, these are the lip pencil shades. Thank you, Lord. There's a dark one up there that I can use and I am so impressed with it already. It's very creamy, it glides on, and I'm sure I'm going to be using them for some of the lippies in a hot minute. But these are the shades, my darlings. And you know what, also for those of you, you can use these on your waterline. Yep, open up the eye. You can use these also as a base on your lip and put on a gloss. Makeup is fun. Find a way to make it creative. But if you're looking to say, I love Jacqueline, I love her quality brand, so on and so forth, and you're a dark girl like me, go for sure for the chocolate, okay? And these are the lip pencils right here. If you go onto the website, you'll get to know the price points of everything. And she has a brochure right here, which I shall read to you. There are a few things I love more than a nude lip. That's why I created this all new, all nude, outspoken lip collection. You know how picky I am about my nude lippies, so I made sure these liners and liquid lipsticks work together beautifully to complement every lip shape and skin tone. Thank you, girl. I love to see how you mix and match these gorgeous neutrals to create your own perfect lip. Send me your nudes. You naughty. I love it though. XO Jacqueline. Yeah. Okay. All right. So without a beat, I want you guys to sit back while I swatch all 15 lippies. Are we excited? I'm curious. I want to see how they're going. And this is first impression. Yeah, I have not touched it since I got the PR package.
My door was there, my own heart beating. What has always been before, a memory that's fading by the minute. It can build you up, It can tear you down. Being on your own, such a long, long time. That's the way love is. Don't have no false pretend, no. 'Cause she's broken through your last. Yeah, she's broken through your last. Yeah, she's broken through your last. Lying up defend. I can live my life alone, like a holy rolling stone. Do without your touch, just as right. Don't need it that much. It can build you up, it can tear you down. Being on your own, such a long, long time. That's the way love is. Don't have no false pretense, no. 'Cause she's broken through your land. Yeah, she's broken through your land. Yeah, she's broken through your land.
some problems with your phone. Tell me why
All right, darlings, I will tell you this. These are liquid lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks are hard. and I swatched all 15. Are they 15? Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 15 lippies. Beautiful. You can make them as opaque and as sheer as you desire. Very smooth, very glidey, easy to take off. And Bold Drew, the lip pencil, is a must-have. It's a must-have. It's a staple. Now, I will buy this with my own coin. Oh, Jacqueline, send me more. I'm impressed. I am very, very, very impressed. I've had the PR box for a minute. If you guys remember, this was in my first unboxing, and I didn't want to be biased because I like her. She's my friend. But I said to myself, for me, you can't be biased. This is a first impressions. The ones that I love: Scrabby, Confidence, Truth. There was a fourth one that I loved. Wait, let me just double check. Get Real. Beautiful. Those four: Get Real, Confidence, Truth, Scrabby. I remember the names because I checked them, because I was like, oh, wait 1 minute. I have my monitor here and I have a mirror here, and there's the light outside, there's noise because the children are finished from school, and so, you know, maybe you might not get the true shade. But when I tell you, of the 15, I can confidently tell you that 14 of them sure banker, and the 15th I will work with it. I could still work with it. But these are nudes, and she wasn't playing around. She's absolutely, they're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. And yes, are you asking me, are they F.D.V approved? They are absolutely F.D.V approved. Absolutely F.D.V approved. For the liquid lipsticks, absolutely. For the pencil, I would say Bold Drew. If you are my complexion, I don't want you to waste your coin. Go for the Bold Drew. Beautiful. The texture, gorgeous. I like the fact that it doesn't skip. No, I'm impressed. She came back with a remix. I hope you enjoyed this, my darlings. And yes, you very well know, I will see you guys, tomorrow. That's going to be the new thing. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, congratulations, Jacqueline. You did that. You did that. And I'm happy that it's the lips, because it's the lips that was trying to check you out, and it's the lips that has given you center stage. Congratulations, my darling. And I'll see all of you later. Mwah.